Okay guys, what's up? Today is Tuesday morning. Monday, the market was not live, so here we are. It is 10:43 in the morning, a little bit later in the day today, but I kind of let this consolidate just to see what it would do a little bit later. I'm not in it still, but I just like seeing what stocks will do after those hours that I trade. So here's today's trade, and it's JCP, which you guys know this company. It's JC Penney's. Go to any mall, boom, it's there. Now I do not particularly like trading stocks that I know I know the brand. Like Chegg is a book company. I've traded them. Um, I've traded Apple a couple times. That's only because you have to make sure exactly what you're doing there. But usually I trade junk companies. But this morning was kind of a special thing. And I found some news on JCPenney's at 521 with CFO hiring, and I was like instantly thought, well, we could get in. So it was up early and there was no volume really, but as you see, we're just gonna focus on this part right here. As soon as the market opens, it starts taking off, and then it comes down, and this is where I got in that 328 level on this pullback. Don't get me wrong, I probably could have got in here, but because this was a support line, and this is resistance pretty much. This line up here is resistance, this line is support. This is where I got in at 328 is my average. So, and then I just let it grind and grind and grind. And then I set my thing for basically right here, and then it ended up rejecting off of it as soon as it got there. As you see, pretty much got here and then it started coming back down. So I ended up getting out at 340, which from a 328 to 340, that's pretty good. So pretty good overall trade. As you can see, it did end up running a little bit higher past this. That's okay. You guys are going to learn that stocks will usually run past where you take your profit from. That's okay. Learn to just take profits and be happy. Be happy that you didn't lose money, because trust me, I've lost money on multiple trades because I figured this thing's going to run further and further and further, and then it ends up just going downhill and I end up losing a bunch of money. And that's not what you can do. You want to learn from my mistakes. You don't want to have to make those mistakes. And that's why I like teaching people, because I've seen people do it over and over and over, and it's like, listen to what I have done already and the mistakes that I made starting, and not trying to listen to other people. And now I wish I would have listened to other people that tried to help me along the way. So now I'm doing so much better. You learn to take your profits. You learn to plan your trades. I teach everything in the course that is going to be released Friday. So definitely be sure to look out for that. Okay guys, so I have a course coming out. It's going to be $249.99 for the first week. After the first week, if you guys don't get in then, I'm jumping it up to $449, which if you ever go and look at anybody else's courses that teach stock, it costs a whole lot more than that. But that's okay, because I don't want to charge people that much money. I'm still making money on the market. I'm not just teaching. Yes, I enjoy helping other people, but that's not only. We're launching that on the site. It's not been released yet. I will have that in the description. As soon as it is launched, I'll have the website. I'm also going to be doing a watch. I'm also going to be doing a watch list. That'll be $24.99 a month, I believe, either that or $19.99 a month. Leave comments below and tell me what you think about it. But definitely looking at doing that, because I have people that ask me, hey, what do you look at every day? What stocks are you looking at? They text me every morning. It's like, this will solve that problem. You'll basically give me your email and I'll send it directly to your email every morning. My watch list. And then consulting. After you guys take my course, and then basically you're still having problems with it, which is very rare. I guarantee it's going to be very rare. But if you guys just want some extra consulting, extra teaching, and wanting to actually talk to me one-on-one and stuff like that, we're going to have an extra fee for that. I don't know what that's going to be at because I have not started it. I've only done a couple of them for people that I know personally. I go to their house and then we sit down and we do it. But that's about all for today. Definitely be on the lookout for my course, and I hope you guys really enjoy these videos. Basically, this is a trading recap on why. Again, guys, this works. You can see exactly why the resistance was right there. Trading support and resistance, I teach all of that in my course, so definitely be on the lookout for that. You don't have to buy my course. I'm not saying you have to, but for those people that have asked me, definitely have created it. It'll launch Friday, and I'm very happy to announce that. So thank you guys for watching. Please smash that thumbs up button. It really helps my channel grow. You can click that share button if you have friends that you want to share it with. But other than that, thank you guys for watching.